Welcome to the Adventures of Carlienne channel. I'm Carl, and thanks for tuning into our cooking series, where we share anything and everything that we love about cooking. In January, we're kicking off an egg challenge, so every day we're going to be cooking a different type of egg, so I hope you join in our little journey. Thanks.
Recording.
Samsikdan, or three-colored egg, is another Chinese classic. Steamed with either salted duck egg or even preserved egg. You can mix anything you want in it, really. But the texture should be silky soft, smooth, almost like a soft tofu. So it's a pretty simple dish. Let's give it a shot.